Our company, Solar Energy Technique Limited, was formed in 2002. We started with the manufacturing of solar water heaters, and then we went to solar PV products. Then we wanted to go for LEDs. So we went to China and scouted for Chinese products, but they didn't have the proper quality. So we started manufacture of our own LED products in the year 2009. And we were quite successful in introducing the first indigenous LED products in India. Presently we are manufacturing solar UPS and solar PV LED bulbs, tube lights, and recently we have started manufacture of solar Sai Jyoti EcoLED lamp, which is a boon we feel for the rural population, as they will get a 24-hour solar power source. Sai Jyoti's story started about a year back, when we found that there is a 400 million people in India not having a source of energy, and they are living in darkness. So the present products for the last 20 years were solar lanterns, and which were not adequate to give the proper light, which they ran only for 2 to 3 hours. So we did a survey of the villages and found out what they want, and we came up with solar EcoLED lamp and named it Sai Jyoti, because we feel I got the prerna from my Lord and Guru, Sri Satya Sai Baba. And this product is works for 24 hours. It's a solar light source. There are 3 modes: 6 hours, 12 hours, and 24 hours. And it's around 2,799 to the end customer. And with lot of technical innovations, so he doesn't, after spending 2,799, we feel for another 10 years he'll not have to spend a penny. The inspiration was from my Lord and Guru, Sri Satya Sai Baba, because he was always for the rural population. He wanted to help the rural population. His students are also going every year and helping the rural population. We have tied up with NABARD for rural marketing, and we feel within a year we should be selling about 1 lakh units per year. Quality control, very strict quality control is maintained in our workshop, in our factory in Wagholi, Pune, where all the incoming components are first checked thoroughly, and then the assembly starts. And each stage of assembly we are doing thorough quality control inspections as per our norms. And then the final product is checked on for the brightness, light, intensity. Market has given us a very good fillip, and they've wholeheartedly accepted the product in all the, right from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. So we have got that confidence to increase the production now. There is no competitor exactly for the same product, because this is the first of its kind in the world. But there are solar lanterns being made of different shapes, sizes and prices for the last 20 years, but they have got a lot of lacuna and drawbacks, for which it has not become popular in India so far. I will give the success to our team, the HR team, the R&D team, the manufacturing team, and all the workers, because with their effort this has been possible to bring a world-class product of like Sai Jyoti into the market. We are having qualified professional engineers for the manufacturing side, then electronic engineers from the LED side. Plus for HR side we have got 20 years qualified people who are in the line and who have got very good experience. We are going to bring the solar UPS, which is a solar uninterrupted power supply from different ranges, right from few hundred watts to 10 kilowatts. This will be a boon to builders and small house owners, because they will not have to depend on electric supply, and they will get free energy, solar free energy, and it will be saving them a lot of money over the years. Plus we are going to introduce, we've already introduced LED bulbs, tube lights, and many other products will be introduced. which will be distributed all over India and then later on all over the world. साई ज्योति दुनिया का पहला प्रोडक्ट है जो 24 घंटे सोलर से लाइट दे सकता है, और रूरल इंडिया में आज 40 करोड़ पॉपुलेशन हैं जिनके पास लाइट नहीं है। तो हम लोग ने ये साई ज्योति सोलर एकोलेट लैम्प का निर्माण किया है, जिससे 40 करोड़ पॉपुलेशन को हम लाइट देना चाहते हैं। ये हमारा विजन है कि कोई भी व्यक्ति इंडिया में बिना लाइट के नहीं रहे। सोलर एनर्जी टेक्निक लिमिटेड का क्वालिटी कंट्रोल पे बहुत भरोसा है। वो इस पे बहुत आस्था रखते हैं कि वर्ल्ड वाइड इंटरनेशनल क्वालिटी बने, इसमें हम कोई कमियां नहीं रखते हैं, और पूरा वर्ल्ड में हम ये हमारे साई ज्योति और दूसरे बल्ब हैं ये पूरे वर्ल्ड में हम डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेंगे। पेट्रियट को हमने सपोर्ट किया है, एक एनजीओ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को हमने सपोर्ट किया है जो नाबार्ड के साथ उन्होंने हाथ मिलाया है, और रूरल पॉपुलेशन को नाबार्ड के एनजीओ के थ्रू ये बांटा जाएगा, माने डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया जाएगा। ये लैम्प पूरी हमारी फैक्ट्री वाघोली में है, हमारी कंपनी में बनती है। इसमें कोई भी फुल्ली इंडिजिनस प्रोडक्शन है, बाहर से कोई भी चीज़ आती नहीं है। साई ज्योति की प्रेरणा हमारे गुरु श्री सत्य साई बाबा के थ्रू मिली है। वो रूरल पॉपुलेशन के लिए काफ़ी काम करते हैं, उनके स्टूडेंट्स भी काफ़ी काम करते हैं। रूरल उनका एक कोर्स रहता है इन 1 ईयर, वो जाके रूरल पॉपुलेशन के साथ काम करते हैं। तो उनसे प्रेरणा मिलके हमने कि देखा कि भाई 40 करोड़ पॉपुलेशन के पास जब लाइट नहीं है तो कुछ ना कुछ करना होगा। अब तक 4 सोलर लैंटर्न आ रहे थे इंडिया में, 20 साल से बन रहे हैं, बट उनमें कई कमियां थी जो हम पूरी करना चाहते थे। तो इसलिए हमने सोलर एकोलेट लैम्प साई ज्योति का निर्माण किया।